Now I'm doing my fuel consumption test on the Touareg with stock torsion value, which was, I think it was -3. And I'm driving 100 kilometers per hour on the meter. Actual speed is 95 or something. And fuel consumption average is 7.4 liters. 5 minutes and 8 kilometers. I will still drive a little bit, so you can basically compare the instant fuel consumption numbers on 2 videos to see the difference when I have adjusted the torsion value. Now it's a big uphill coming. Maximum was 13 liters, and now starts the downhill. Let's see what's the minimum fuel consumption in downhill is. Will it go to 0 or not? 2.0 was their lowest. Then again highest 10.2. Little uphill part, and then again downhill. .7 was the lowest, and then again going steady here, quite level here, and my test will end soon. 7.1 liters. It has been leveled up, might drop still a little bit, but there's uphill coming, so it will again go a little bit higher on the uphill part. So 7.1, and it's 10 kilometers. Let's see the actual. I will put it to steady stop. 7.2, and there's the test. It was 7.2. and 11 kilometers, average speed 95, 7 minutes. And here's the thing which I want to lower. I will stop the car. Is the idle fuel consumption. Now I have no lights on, but the radio is still on. I can stop the radio if it lowers the idle fuel consumption, and also stop the fan fully. Let's see if it goes even lower. It's 1.1 liter per hour, and that is too much for this 2.5 R5 TDI. So I will adjust the torsion value and let's see how the results change.